Hello, my friends. Welcome to this love and kindness guided meditation, also known as Metta Bhavana. Today, we will cultivate compassion, warmth, and love. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Find a comfortable position. Sit, stand, or lie down. Relax your body. Let your shoulders soften. Let your mind settle like still water. Gently close your eyes and begin with yourself. Silently or aloud, repeat the phrase I say 3 times, allowing it to sink fully into your heart. May I be free from anger. May I be free from ill will. May I be free from jealousy. May I be free from mental suffering. May I live in peace. May I live happily. Feel the meaning of each phrase. Let your heart radiate warmth toward yourself. Extend your love to everybody in your house. Repeat each phrase 3 times. May everybody in this house be free from anger. May everybody in this house be free from ill will. May everybody in this house be free from jealousy. May everybody in this house be free from mental suffering. May everybody in this house live in peace. May everybody in this house live happily. Picture each person in your home surrounded by light, peaceful and joyful. Now extend your love to the people of your city. Repeat each phrase 3 times. May the people of this city be free from anger. May the people of this city be free from ill will. May the people of this city be free from jealousy. May the people of this city be free from mental suffering. May the people of this city live in peace. May the people of this city live happily. Visualize people greeting, celebrating, and enjoying their lives. Expand to the people of your country. Repeat each phrase 3 times. May the people of my country be free from anger. May the people of my country be free from ill will. May the people of my country be free from jealousy. May the people of my country be free from mental suffering. May the people of my country live in peace. May the people of my country live happily. See your nation enveloped in light, hearts open, harmonious, and kind. Extend your love to all beings in the world. Repeat each phrase 3 times. May all beings in the world be free from anger. May all beings in the world be free from ill will. all beings in the world be free from jealousy. May all beings in the world be free from mental suffering. May all beings in the world live in peace. May all beings in the world live happily. Visualize humans, animals, plants, all life bathed in warmth, joy, and loving light. Finally, extend your love to all beings in the universe. Repeat each phrase 3 times. May all beings in the universe be free from anger. May all beings in the universe be free from ill will. May all beings in the universe be free from jealousy. May all beings in the universe be free from mental suffering. May all beings in the universe live in peace. May all beings in the universe live happily. Imagine your heart radiating endlessly from your chest to the furthest star. There is no boundary, only love and light. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the unity, warmth, and peace within you. Let this feeling stay with you as you return awareness to your surroundings. Your heart remains open, boundless, and kind. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. Rest in this feeling of calm, connection, and love. This concludes your love and kindness meditation. May your heart remain gentle, radiant, and full of goodwill toward all beings.